Going to be taking a look at SRNE, currently at $1.30. And this is another one we have not looked at before, but has a lot of potential here, in my opinion. Obviously, something happened here to cause this sell-off. Joe's not here to go through this stuff with us, so we're just taking a look at the charts right now. And hopefully we'll take a look at it again next week, depending on how many times it's requested. We're going to be watching for a break of that $1.95. You're going to have a little bit of a resistance at the $2.25, but in my personal opinion, you got to keep in mind here, when these stocks drop off like this, they can bounce, and they can bounce fast and much higher. So people know that, and that's what they're watching for right now with this one. If we go back, you see within this purple line here, that top one, there is nothing there. There's nothing here between this area. So what does that mean for you? Well, a break of that $1.95, you can go up to $2.95 fairly quickly. Okay, that's what people watch for here. It looks like the selling has slowed down here off that big $9 million or $9 million in volume trade day on the 13th. All right, so you basically came up to that $1.95 a few times and tapped it, just couldn't do it, and it hit the low of that $1.55, starting to climb up here. You see it starting to gap up and you know, moving along here as you go. $1.80, watch for that break at $1.95. Like I said, could go up much higher. But that $1.55 is going to be a must hold. So you guys are getting inside of a pivotal point here with this one. But I think that it's a possibility that if this the selling continues to slow like it has, it can reverse and pop back up. And then 225 at that 10-day. That's what we're going to be watching for with the SRNE. Another one that, like I said, has potential here. Like the way this one's setting up, even though there was a big gap down, but just because of that, you know, it doesn't mean that it doesn't have potential to possibly move up higher. So $1.80, watch for a bounce here with selling slowing. It has slowed down. We can see that here. Resistance at $1.95, $2.25, and $2.90. Again, if you break that $1.95 that we were talking about over here, you break that. There's nothing in between there. So if you start getting up to you know, higher, maybe $2 or so, you're going to get that confirmation, especially if you break that 10-day simple moving average at 225. So we'll continue to watch this one. If you follow this one, I definitely encourage you to hit that subscribe button to stay updated with this hot stock and all the others that we take a look at throughout the trading week. If you'd like to participate in our next live show, you can do so at investorshangout.com/live.